Student, as I am dear student, as I am discussing you about the different type of language processor, assembler and compiler I have discussed in the previous video. Now I am going to discuss about the interpreter. Interpreter means this the machine which will help you to translate the high level into the machine level line by line. So what is the difference between them? Compiler and assembler. Assembler means what? The program that translates the assembly language into the machine language. Compiler is a program that translates the high level language into the machine language, but not line by line. But interpreter, what it do? It translate the high level language into the machine level language. Machine level language means zero ones, combination of zero ones in what? Line by line. So what we find? Visual Basic Interpreter, isn't it? Application software, we have a different pattern of application software we are applying in our world. So different type of application softwares are there, and based on those application software, what we find it, they are divided into two parts: general purpose and specific purpose. General purpose means which generally everyone is using, like the Excel, like Word is generally being used. But special purpose, suppose those Tally, isn't it? Tally is a special purpose software, or you are doing the animation. So adding these different type of Maya, all these different type of softwares what are there available, they are the special purpose software. Okay, so specification of your application software, what are the specification? That you can do your work very easily, you can perform your task very easily, like accounting managing software, your reservation software, your payroll system software, lot of other things. So utility software means those the software what we find, they will help you to maintain your work and give the system in a good condition. Utility software means one of the very common utility software we all are using is an antivirus software. So antivirus software is an utility software, and based on this utility software, what we find it, that we are maintaining our system, like Norton antivirus, McAfee antivirus. Okay, all these different pattern of antivirus is there. We are using for our machines. File management tools, what we find it, that we are storing and searching, and we are also doing the work in the different folders. So as we are doing it, that means Window Explorer, Firefox, all these things are there. Compressions means what? Like we are compressing. I said you to send your documents in the PDF form, in the zip form. So WinZip, WinRAR, RAR, etc. All these things are there. Okay, disk management tool, there are the different type of disk management programs are there, like cleaning your disk, defragmentation of your disk, backup of your disk. Cleaning the disk means if any unwanted file is there occupying the space, any file is occupying the space, you want to clear those file. This is what disk management. Disk defragmentation means the disk is there, you are fragmenting it into the different file, like your computer, you have laptop, you have divided into D drive, C drive, E drive, all these different type of drive you have divided to it. So as you have find it that you have divided to it, you will going to have it and work on it. Now next what we can find it up, I think this much, up to this much it is clear. Okay, next what we find, the backup. Backup means the duplicate file. Always what we say, that keep the backup of your record, keep the backup of your record. Why we are saying so? That means the duplicate file you should keep, original file if lost, then you can work from the duplicate file. Okay, so these are the things what you can find it, that there are the different type of things we have, what we have discussed about the different type of components, different type of hardware devices, different type of software units, the name of the different software section, application software, and there are different type of units how they are using, different type of antivirus softwares and other different pattern of software, utility software, and we have discussed the different type of softwares how we are find that they are applicable in our different work. Okay, so those are the things what we can find on it. So this is the thing that we can find and we can implement on it. Now next what we have, the memory system. Memory system means our memory system is divided into two parts: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory means what we say, the storage, or we store the data, is called a primary memory. That means it is directly accessible by the CPU.